In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications or alerts from Asana app. If you're receiving a lot of alerts or pop-up notifications from Asana and you'd like to put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, all you need to do is to go to your app and access the app info page. To access the app info page, go ahead and long press on your app and then choose app info, and this will take you to Asana app info page. Here, go to the permissions section and under permissions, look for notifications. Currently, you can see these notifications are turned on. That's why you have been receiving all those pop-up notifications. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and this will permanently stop pop-up notifications unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So from now henceforth, you'll be safe from notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.